Today we have a video from A Matter of Crime, and the title of the video is Mother Arrested After Autistic Son Found Wandering the Street.
You're being placed on arrest, okay?
For what?
For child, okay?
This mother was just placed in handcuffs, not for but for leaving her 8-year-old autistic son wandering the street, barefoot and alone. The child could have been struck by a moving vehicle at any moment, but what shocked officers most wasn't just the danger. It was that his mother showed no sign of remorse at all. On September 23, 2024, Orlando police were called to an apartment complex on Lake Margaret Drive for a report of a wandering child. When officers arrived, they found a small boy sitting on the ground, no shirt, no shoes, wearing pajama pants. Apartment staff were already with him. The complex manager explained the child had run away from his mother.
Hello. Talk to her first.
The one apartment running over the street.
Sorry?
It's running for the one apartment.
Okay.
It's running. Everything. We go for here. He come back for you just look the monk, come back for the monk. You can Spanish?
No, no Spanish, no Spanish. Yeah, I live here.
Yes, okay.
Hi, ma'am.
My maintenance manager was in the office with me. He called him because the little kid ran out of the apartment. And he wanted to go to the street and he would not listen to him. So I asked what apartment, so I went over there.
Okay.
And mom is screaming on the phone and I told her, put your shoes on and come and pick up the kid because he's going to the street. So she started swearing at me when I'm trying to help her find the kid. He refuses to go with mom. I don't know what happened in the house, but he doesn't want to go with mom.
Okay. Yeah.
She's walking. She went back to the apartment.
Went back to the apartment?
Yeah, she went back to the apartment.
Wow.
And she called her mom because I told her that I was going to call. You know, I'm like, I'm trying to help you here. I could have called the cops.
Without the kid?
Without the kid.
Okay.
I don't know who she is. She's not supposed to be living in the apartment. I'm the assistant community manager. She's not in East Boulder.
Yeah, I'm apartment.
803. 802.
802, what building?
50. She went to 52.
How about your dad?
Will you stay here with me?
Because I'm not.
I may, huh?
I'm not going to go to high school. I think something's going to be bad for me. I think that's going to be bad because every day I go with my dad tomorrow to think what happened. He'll take my iPad, like we're going to sleep. I'll take my iPad again and then we're going to sleep again.
Eventually, the boy's father called on his iPad.
I think he was, I believe he was talking to dad.
But Daniel, that kid talks to this girl, this lady that talks to you. I can talk to her?
Yeah.
What's that?
Hello.
Hey,
Do you live?
father.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if I can hear as well.
What is your mother?
I don't know. She went back to the apartment. I try to get her so she can come and help me get him because my maintenance personnel told me that he ran out and he was on Lake Margaret. And she started swearing at me and I'm trying to help her get him, you know?
To other tenants in 95. They don't know if they're there now. It's like
You'll make it possible. I'm like, don't put this away. I'm trying to drive there now.
Can you ask him for his phone number?
Somewhat.
What is wrong with this lady? This lady throwing me off a little bit, man. Clearly the officer is getting up close because he said, hey, I want to get a listen too. Why are you moving the iPad on the other side of it? You should have it in between you two so you both could hear. Like, this lady throwing me off, man.
Someone had called a police officer and they want your phone number so they can speak with you. So you give them your phone number? Yeah.
Okay.
All right, they're going to be giving
Yeah,
you
I'm
a phone.
going to call now.
Okay. Here, hon. You can have your iPad back, okay?
Hello, this is Officer Charles. How are you? Okay, so give me a little breakdown of what's going on. So, your father... Okay, so, and is he currently staying with the mother, I'm guessing? Okay, does she have full custody? What kind of custody does she have? Okay. Are you able to come pick him up since you guys have no custody agreement? You're 40 minutes away.
Kilo 21.
Okay. We're gonna try to. If you could start heading this way, either way, because if she.
Kilo 25.
Okay. And you know their address, correct? Okay. If you can start heading this way, due to the fact is, even though mom does have custody, you guys have no custody agreement. So I think it'd be the best bet since she just kind of walked off from him, that you kind of maintain and look after him until we kind of figure out what's going on in regards to this, all right?
He told police the boy was 8 years old, autistic, and a type 1 diabetic, and that he was on his way. While officers eventually found the boy's mother and spoke to her, some apartment staff were nice enough to give the boy food, but due to the boy's dietary restrictions, the officer has to show the mother first.
What happened here? Look, I have some chips, rice, beans, and water. That's
Are you sure?
yeah, just for the kid.
If you want.
Can he eat it?
He's hungry, yes, sir.
No.
Maybe for the little ones. Yeah, for the little ones. Well, thank you guys so much.
I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
So help us understand.
Chips,
Yeah.
water.
Yeah, this is good.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, you have an episode here.
While the officer spoke to the mother, she told police her son ran away after she tried to take his iPad. She admitted she gave up chasing him.
Okay. So I want to better understand what's going on. Okay. Because the fact that you left him, right, outside here.
I left him.
Or the fact that he ran away from you, right? And you're still not here to even try to obtain your child is what we're having a problem with.
Okay.
Okay, help me understand. Okay, maybe your point of view, maybe I'm seeing it because the way we approach the scene did not look right. If that makes sense to you.
It makes sense. It makes
because
perfect
all we
sense.
let me tell you what we heard. We came on scene. We spoke with the property manager, whoever it was, made case maybe in the property, I guess,
Yeah.
maintenance person.
Yeah.
And they advised that you were out here with the child. Mm-hmm. You began to yell at the property manager in regards to some incident with regards to the child. Mm-hmm. And you proceeded to walk back to the apartment.
I did.
Why is that?
I was angry.
Okay.
I'm gonna be honest.
Okay.
So when my child left the house, right, it was I don't want to call it a threat, but it was like, you're going to, if you don't obey, I'm going to take your iPad.
Yeah.
And he jolted out the room, right? Ran. Ran out the room after him.
Okay.
I couldn't see him. I'm like, Daniel. This is why everybody called the leasing consultant. When she came here, she was very respectful, very nice. I was rude. You know, I was like, shut the F up, don't talk to me, don't, you know.
You're just kind of mad about the situation.
I was upset about this situation. It has nothing to do with her.
Okay.
She did exactly what she was supposed to do, her job. You know what I mean? It was just, I'm angry because I don't understand, like, why did you run out the room? Why would you run out the house? You can get hit by a car.
Yeah.
So, pretty much long story short, she can't handle a special needs kid. That's all I'm getting out of this. She can't handle the stress that, you know, kids in general are stressful. Okay? Taking care of another human being is stressful enough, right? But when you have a special needs kid, that just adds on extra stress. And, you know, when you have a child, you sign up for that. You know, you don't know if the child is how the child is gonna come out. If he's gonna come out, you know, regular, or if he's gonna need some, you know, assistance and stuff like that or whatever. And it could be difficult if you have a special needs kid. But what she's doing, it just shows like, I'm defeated. I give up. That's what it is. And, you know, a parent should never just give up on their kid. You know what I mean? Because you brought them into this world.
You know,
You're
and then
angry,
when
you're
I
angry as a
saw,
mother. Okay, I see that.
and then when I saw people, like adults around him, and I was like, Daniel, come back. Daniel, come with me. Daniel, come. And he was like, I don't care. Like holding on to the iPad.
Yeah.
I was like, okay, I'm going back to the house. I need to charge my phone.
Okay.
Like I need to, because if I need to call his dad, because this is who y'all talk to, right?
Yeah.
I need to call him.
Yeah.
My phone was 0%. I need my phone on at least 2%. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
But at the end of the day, it is wrong, one, for me to leave after this
Did you tell them to stay with the kid at all? Or you just...
Yes, I told them. I was like, stay here. I'll be back. I'm leaving. F you. Because I was upset.
Okay. But see, that's where probably miscommunication comes. You can't tell them somewhere, they stay with my kid and F you that I'm leaving, right?
I know.
Because then she's like, okay, I guess she's not coming back. Make sense?
I know.
So...
I know.
When asked why she didn't call the police, she didn't answer. Even after being told her child was found near a main roadway, she said he was fine with whoever he was with. Officers noted she did not seem to grasp the seriousness of the situation, and they didn't waste time to do what was necessary.
I mean, so, let me play something else, okay?
For what?
For child, okay? I'll drop your phone for you. Okay. Face your wrist in, don't hurt it. Okay. I'll come on this side.
Can you just make sure my phone is...
I will. Pick it up. Okay. You stand right here for me? No, hold on for what I can do. Gloves. Actually, no. Yes. Anything on you?
Nope.
That could be considered contraband, anything like that?
Nope,
okay.
not at all.
So, you're being placed under arrest, okay? Child yourself.
Okay.
I can't do a thorough search due to the fact is I'm a male and you're a female. Okay. So I'll do it.
I understand.
So I'll do a light pat down, okay? Okay. All right. I'll reach across you. So be careful.
Just make sure you get my phone in my wallet.
We'll do. I'll be in the property with you, okay?
All right.
What about your kid? Talking about make sure my phone and wallet. I'm sick.
Tony Alves was arrested for child and transported to the Orange County Booking and Release Center. The child was later released into the care of his father. The Florida Department of Children and Families was notified.
Hold on. My brother right here, he was in the gym. Hold on, Pops. Okay.
County Booking and Release Center. The child was later released.
Okay, Pops. Who's Pops? Dwayne The Rock Johnson? God damn, brother.
Into the care of his father. The Florida Department of Children and Families was notified and opened an investigation.
Yeah, she can't handle the stress of a special needs child. Period, point blank. That's the end of the story. Good thing, the father did show up. He 40 minutes away, but at the end of the day, he there for his kid. He came. So, yeah. So anyway, sad. Hopefully kid stays with the dad, That's my take on it, because she ain't give two craps. She talking about my phone, my wallet, this, that. Man. You not asking questions about, all right, so what are you guys going to do with my child? Or, who is anybody going to get involved? Or, what's the process after this as far as getting my child back or anything? Like, she ain't asking no question, no type of questions like that. She's just talking about my phone, my wallet. Like, she could care less. So that kid does not need to go back, man. Not need to go back. Unbelievable. Yeah, so I get officers a 5. They did a great job. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.